Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to lock your body control module in a Holden VF Commodore. So first off, click the vehicle button, we'll then go to the body control module tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. We'll then head to the flashing tab along the top, click on the configurable options tab, and then finally we're going to go and select enabled for the BCM theft security lock. Make sure you do have a battery maintainer fitted, and once you do, we'll click the right button to initiate the flashing. So first off, begin downloading the required files for your vehicle, plus the modifications that you've selected, and then it will begin the flashing sequence. This flashing does take approximately 4 minutes and 30 seconds for it to complete, so it's not too long. I have sped up this next section of the video so that we're not waiting around for the full 4 minutes, but I do have the timestamp along the bottom showing the minutes and the seconds. Once it's completed, it will show that it's finalizing the flash routine, and finally we'll have a pop-up indicating that it has completed. Couple things to note about the BCM locking is number one, that once you lock it, only you can now unlock it using your account. No one else using OBDSync will be able to unlock it, and we're unaware of any other software that's able to do what we are doing since it is a custom operation. And number two is if you need to code keys to your car, you will need to unlock the BCM before you can program new keys to it. And after you've programmed keys, you can then lock your BCM to then prevent any further key programming to it. That's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.